Okay, now let's continue with Java. So here let's put the string for optimal string for option. Then we have integer for num1, then integer for num2, and integer for result, right? Now we want to print, and we have system out print line. Please select an option. Okay, addition, subtraction, then we have multiplication, and finally we have division. So as you remember from previous class, we need to create the scanner to read the data from the user, right? And here it's telling us that we need to add this library. So we press Alt Enter, and it will add it here. As you can see, import Java util scanner. So for scanner, let's put the scanner equal new scanner, and inside we put the system in. Remember, this system in is to read the data from user. Now we want to add number1 equal, we put the scanner, then we access inside the scanner with the dot, and we select next integer, right? So here we need to ask the user type a number, and let's do this twice to get number 2 also. So we have now number1, number2, and we need to save also the option. Don't forget this. So for the option we have opti equal scanner, and now this one we need the string, so we put like this. Now if option is equal to 1, do this is no if option equal to 2, then 3, 4, and any other conditional. So system here to type again something out, you have selected a wrong option, and here we want to do the operation result equal num1 plus num2, then we copy this one, and you can see it's very similar to C++ and C#. We are not changing too much for these simple programs. here return. So now we want to print result. The result is let's see how it works. Okay, play. So here we can see, please select an option. Let's select 3, type a number 12, multiply by 4, 48. Okay, you have selected the wrong option. Okay, right, I didn't change this, as you can see here, 3, 4. Now let's run again. Three, 12, 4. You have selected the wrong option. Why? It's not equal 3. Okay, here we see the problem, and it's telling us that we cannot use the value conditional double for string, so we need to use equals, and inside we put our value. So sorry for that, but this is how the IDE help you a lot, and how you can fix some syntax error. Okay, now let's try again. Let's see what happened. Okay, let's start again. Okay, the result is 42. We use the option 3, and it's working now. Let's try now with switch. Okay, switch. The variable we want to evaluate, open, close, then we have case. Let's see how this one works here, and this is one here, and remember to put the break. And let's copy this for the other options, and default. Okay, I put return because I want to finish the program if the option is wrong, but you need to put break also, depends of your program. So here let's copy this, and let's copy this. Using switch, the result is, let's check what it does. Okay, let's choose addition, 34 plus 3, 37. So it's working, you see, with switch and if, the same way it works in C++, C#. The only difference here that you can see and point out in Java is that for strings you will need the equals, the equal. So here you have the string, so this library, when you create the object for option, it will give you this method, so you need to use it. Remember that. For the case you don't need it, you only evaluate the options, and that's it for that. Okay, let's try now with the other program.